Changing the phone number on your Steam account is a straightforward process that can help you maintain account security and recover access if needed. Follow these steps to update your phone number quickly. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam client or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account details. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Click on your username in the top right corner, then select account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage your phone number. In the account details section, look for the phone number area. Click on Manage your phone number to proceed with the update. Step 4. Remove old number. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Add new phone number. After removing the old number, you can add your new phone number. Enter the new number and follow the verification steps sent to your phone to complete the process. Once you have updated your phone number, ensure that you keep your account information secure. Regularly check your account settings to maintain your security.